welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain double your line reviews. As you know that double your line Visa card is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and I'm going to tell you its salient features. Also friends, I request you to do like this video, share the video and subscribe the channel, as it will boost our spirits to bring many more informative videos like this. So let's proceed further. Friends, when you have a bad credit profile, it can be tough to find a credit card and which do not require any security deposit. So basically, the Merrick Bank Double Your Line Visa card, which is also known as Merrick Platinum card on the bank's website, is one option, and through the borrowers with a poor credit score and who will likely to face high fees and a steep interest rate. So basically, Merrick Bank Double Your Line Visa credit card will help you in going through the tough times when you have low credit score. So basically, it's a one step if you want to improve your bad credit. So friends, if you have a bad credit and you can't afford the deposit on a secured card, your options are often limited to cards issued by the Nike banks like Merrick. So in exchange for granting unsecured credit to consumers with a poor payment track record, these banks usually charge some serious fees, and they include the annual fees and account setup fees, and they also help in getting rid of painfully high interest rates. So basically, Merrick Double Your Line Visa credit basically takes up the fees, and then they set up the one-time setup fee, and also they have a variable APR. So one standout feature is that it has a credit limit, and your initial limit of $550 to $1250 will be automatically doubled after 7 months of on-time payments, and if you're regularly reviewing for increase after that too. So basically, this is the one-stop store where you can actually improve your credit cards, and if you have a bad credit card, you can double your line, and you can immediately get your credit limit. But I would like to tell you that this is not cost free, and you will be charged an amount, and they will set up you, but they will also take a setup fee, and they will also put some amount of interest. So it's like going to be an annual fee present for you, and it's not going to be very free. So I'm going to give you a genuine, honest review that it's not a free setup. So Double Your Line Reviews is here to actually improve your bad credits into good and high credits. So friends, what do you feel about Double Your Line? Do mention your comments and experiences in the comment box. Also friends, we keep on reading your comments each day, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. So friends, be informed and be safe.